First walk around on the new turd we bought. 91 DA Integra. I believe it's an LS. Somebody's came through and done some stuff to it. It's not entirely stock, but we got some hail damage to the roof. See some of the dents there. See if I can get the hood. You see we got some dents in the hood. More hail damage. We got a 6-month-old Doberman or something, Rottweiler, chewing all over the mud flaps. 2 big 17s on here. Don't like them, but sometimes you kind of just get what you can get. A little bit of rust on this panel here. Should be able to fix that. A couple of spots on the tail lights. The trunk. Some faded seats. We got some newer GSR or newer Integra seats, I believe. Or they might just be covers. Look like seat cover. Anyway, a little bit of rust here on the door jamb. We can fix that. But all in all, she runs good. We've got a V20 swap out of a CRV in here. I believe the tranny and the motor are from the same car. Roughly 60 grand on the odometer from that one. And then we've got about 300,000 miles on the chassis of this thing, but we're gonna make it go fast, not really look good. So more to come later.